BF3AlCl3 without H plus they are acting as a acid. How they will acting as a acid? To solve this such type of the question, there is a concept is there that is called as a Lewis concept. Here they will ask the question like this: which of the following is a Lewis base, Lewis acid? To solve this question, first we will know the trick to identify the Lewis acid. How can we identify the Lewis acid? Here the trick is there here. So Lewis acids are nothing but they are electron pair acceptor. They need electrons. They need electrons in the sense they are electron deficient molecule. Electron deficient molecule will come under the category of the Lewis acid. You can call it as a the central atom must have incomplete octet rule. They will not show octet rule. So for example, you can see BF3, you can see BCl3, you can see BeCl2, AlCl3. These are all electron deficient molecule and Lewis acid, and that whatever the molecule is having, the central atom can show Lewis character, but that should have that one will show that expansion of octet more than 8 electrons in the valence shell. Why? Due to availability of empty d orbital. That's why they are accepting the electrons. So for example, you can see Si halogen 4, germanium halogen 4. Next one, phosphorus with halogen 3. Phosphorus with halogen 3 you can call it as. Next one, PF5 you can call it as. SF4 you can call it as. So these are the Lewis acid. What about the Lewis base? How to identify the Lewis base? So Lewis base is electron donor. Electron donor in the sense they are having the more unpaired of electrons, lone pair of electrons. So they at least have one lone pair or more than one lone pair they should have. For example, you can see NH3, one lone pair is there. Okay, ROH, alcohol, two lone pairs are there. RNH2, one lone pair. PH3, one lone pair. These are Lewis bases because they are having the one lone pair of electrons. And the species are negatively charged. Negatively charged in the sense you can call it as a anion also you can call Cl minus, Cn, OH minus, X minus, like this. Next one, the molecule having the multiple bonds. Multiple bonds should be there. That bonds also should be present between dissimilar electronegativity. So for example, you can see CO2 is there, SO2 is there. They will act as a Lewis bases. By using these tricks, we can solve these questions. Now you can see which are the following. This question they have asked in the mains 2021 cannot act as a Lewis base. Lewis base in the sense it must have the one lone pair of electron, but they are asking about cannot. So NF3 is having the one lone pair, so it is a Lewis base. ClF3 having the lone pair, Lewis base. SF4 is having the lone pair, it is a Lewis base. Only the option PCl5 doesn't have the lone pair, so answer is B. This question answer you comment in the comment sections.